Hey, what's going on, guys? Tony here. Got me a new toy, and it's on my back here. Well, you probably can't see it, but these are the Pixel M7s for the mic. So I got a little lavalier mic on here. I can walk around. I don't have to sit there and hold the phone right up to my face. But just wanted to get back with you guys. Know what I'm doing. Let you know what I'm doing. This evening I'm having another meeting with both my wife and my father again. So last week I bought a book that people were telling me to buy. It was the Profit First book. And basically this thing describes all the sales and all the money that comes in. You have one account and then you pass it to the first account, which is the business profit. So you pay the business profit first, then you pay the owner's salary, then you pay all the taxes, make sure you're good with that, and then everything else, all your expenses and your wages and everything is the last thing. This really forces you, when you're building the business is always profitable. And if you're not having enough money and you're really tight at the bottom, you can readjust those numbers a lot easier than losing money at the end, because a lot of people will so what my understanding is a lot of people will pay their employees, pay everything first, and then at the end they have nothing left, and that's not how it should run. So if you reverse it and go the other way, where you profit again to the business, then owner salary, then your taxes, and then everything else is in that other account that you're going to be paying out of, and then that's how you work that. So that was one book that I read. I passed it on to my father, and he read it and he understands it, so he set me all up in that. Now this is the second book that, so I listened to different podcasts on different platforms, and one was it's a service-based industry. And the industry is HVAC, and this guy came on and did an interview. He owns this home service millionaire. His name is Tommy Mello, and so I got the book, and it's awesome. So those are two must-reads for you: Profit First and Home Service Millionaire by Tommy Mello. And this is just a regular business type book and how you set up your business to exceed and make millions. We'll see. But my first goal is just to triple my business. So that's my first goal this year. And it might be hard. I don't know. It might not be. We're going to see how it goes. But I'm excited and I'm pumped. So thanks for joining me. And like tonight, we're going to be discussing, another thing. So last week, I told you guys that I was going to, or a few days ago, I was going to tell you that I was putting an ad for applications on Facebook. Well, I did. And what happened was awesome. I've spent $30 and I've got over 21 applicants. I think might even have 23 applicants that called in. And I could go all the way up to $100 and let it go. I probably would have 60, 70 applicants out of that $100. So I'm going to go through all the applications and divvy them up and see who I'm going to call in for interviews and everything. But that was a pretty surprising number. I was real excited about that, and I will see what kind of quality we get out of these applicants and see if that works. But that's all I got for today. It is Sunday. Last week I didn't do anything on the weekend. I didn't do anything yesterday. I was too busy to do anything, but at least I got you a video today. So that's what's going on in my world and my journey. Talk to you guys later.